pit stop, and then they give you Moroccan tea here. Arey, I was leaning on this, but it is just cloth. You can also use the washroom if needed. It's total 1.5 hours from Marrakesh to Agafe, and right now we are half an hour in. Yeah, I think this stop is after half an hour. There's a lot of argan oil and all of that sold here, so if you want, you can buy that as well. I don't know why we fall into the trap, but then we also purchased argan oil and a cactus oil because the ladies were doing it from there. It was all handmade, so we thought let's just help some local business.
Still learning how to vlog with the famous YouTuber.
This is the check-in process. You get dropped off there, and then you have the reception to check in. They give you a few forms to fill, and then you have Moroccan tea. Let's see you once we get our room. Can you show us the room number? And he says hotels don't have this room number. What a guy. So guys, it's time for the room tour. You've seen the exterior. You have a nice sunbed, a bathtub, this gorgeous view of the sand dunes, a nice place to sit. Now we'll show you the room. Let's go. Welcome to Agafe Luxury Tent. You have a nice double bed here. AC is good, lamps, very aesthetic, love the color scheme. You have a mirror, an extra bed, I don't know why, but we do have this extra bed with some storage space here. Also a hanger to hang the clothes. We might use the pool later. Now this, oh, I had my chashma on. Now this is the washroom area, which is beautiful. I'll show you why. So here is the commode area. This is like a wash basin situation, and now is the shower area where you also see the view of the desert. So this place is over 1.5 hours from Marrakesh. You can book cab or taxis, and that's like 40 euros per way, so you have to give your details, and I think that's the only way to actually reach here because it's kind of very secluded. It's middle of nowhere, but it's beautiful, very aesthetic. We've got the lake facing room, but unfortunately because of summer the lake is just dry. There's no water stream that we can see in. There are two pools. It's like a 3-4 minutes walk from here. You also have activities. The sun sets at 8:30. We thought we'll do quad bike, but I don't think so. We have the energy for it because it's 47 degrees. But we might use the pool, I think, somewhere during sunset. And then there are two restaurants. If you have special occasion, they also do a private sitting dinner or lunch situation for you. They also have a lot of hammams and massage options. Overall, a great luxurious way to spend your money and spend Deepak's birthday this year. We'll have some fun, and we'll see you in the next one when I'm showing you, not the next one, maybe in this one I'll show you around the camp. We'll see you there. Completely forgot to vlog because I'm really enjoying my time here, but we are at the pool now. We just finished our drinks, and 5 to 7 is the tapas and drinks time. Let me just flip the camera and show you the view. This is the infinity pool, and there you see there's another pool. That's the kids pool in that area, but you can sit. And behind us is the restaurant for dinner. We've made it to the top. Climbed all those stairs. It's tiring, but we're also gonna catch the sunset. Let's go. It's super windy here, but look at the stunning skyline. Oh. This is the night view of the restaurant and the pool there, the good moonlight, and that's where all the camps are. It looks really beautiful at night. The restaurant food is also great. Do give it a try if you're here. We'll see you tomorrow for the breakfast. Good morning from day 2 at the desert. I'm preparing the bathtub. For breakfast, we have a nice bit of bread, some fresh fruits, yogurt, a nice bottle of orange juice, and some honey butter jam. We will see you later. Also get fresh omelette, and Deepak said the milk is really thick, so he asked him, and he asked if it's camel milk, but no, it's regular milk, cow milk. We've had a great breakfast, enjoyed the surrounding. It's hot, but I think by morning 8, from 8 to 9:30, it's pretty not chill, but the sun does not burn your skin, so it's a great time to just go around the property and see the facilities. We couldn't use the swimming pool because they closed it yesterday at 7, since there was a private dinner setting by the pool, which you can get it done for like I think 50 euros per person. But yeah, I think we couldn't use the pool, which is a sad thing, but it's also very, very hot, and it was a nice infinity pool, but then the sun was right on top of our head, so we decided to skip that. But it's time for us to say goodbye to this beautiful, stunning property and this view. It's totally worth it if you want to spend some money and just have a relaxing a relaxing stay by the desert. It's a beautiful property. The service is great. The ambience is amazing. Just carry a lot of sunscreen and a hand fan because it gets really, really hot. But yesterday evening it was really windy. So overall, it's a great stay. We've thoroughly enjoyed. And now it's 11:30, 12 is our checkout. We have a cab coming to pick us up to go to Marrakesh. We have our last day in Marrakesh today, and tomorrow we'll be flying to Portugal for a day because we have a transfer there. And then we'll be back home. But I would totally recommend this place if you're ready to splurge a little, because it is stunning and it's worth every penny that you spend. So let me know if you have any questions about this. If not, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Point I forgot to highlight is that there is no Wi-Fi in the room. So if you need Wi-Fi or internet, you need to go to the restaurant or the reception, which is like a 5 minutes walk from our room. But the rooms do not have Wi-Fi, and your phone internet is also not that strong. So yeah, you live without internet.